If you've ever opened GIMP and thought, this works, but I really wish it looked and felt more like Photoshop, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make GIMP look like Photoshop using a free method called PhotoGIMP. This is a simple and popular customization that changes the layout, improves the workflow, and makes the interface feel much more familiar if you're coming from Adobe Photoshop. And if you want, I'll also show you how to keep the layout without the Photoshop style shortcuts. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is make sure GIMP is completely closed. This part is important because the patch needs to replace your existing configuration files, and if GIMP is still running, some files may not update properly. So close every GIMP window before you continue. Next, open your browser and go to the official PhotoGIMP GitHub repository. Make sure you download the patch from the official source so you know you're getting the correct and safe version. Once you're on the repository page, download the zip file for PhotoGIMP. After the file finishes downloading, extract the zip file to a folder on your computer. Inside the extracted files, look for the folder that matches your version of GIMP. In most cases, this will be a folder named 3.0 or 2.00 if you're using an older GIMP version. That folder contains the configuration files that will make GIMP look and behave more like Photoshop. Now you need to find GIMP's hidden app data folder on your computer. If you're on Windows, press Windows and R at the same time. Type %appdata%/GIMP and press Enter. That will open the GIMP configuration directory. If you're on macOS, open Finder, then go to Library, then Application Support, and then GIMP. If you don't see Library right away, you may need to hold the Option key while opening Finder's Go menu to reveal it. If you're using Linux with Flatpak, go to the directory at .var app org.gimp.gimp config GIMP. This is where the app stores its configuration files. Once you have the correct GIMP folder open, paste the PhotoGIMP folder you extracted earlier into that directory. When your computer asks whether you want to replace or overwrite existing files, choose Replace or Overwrite. This is what applies the new layout, dark theme, and Photoshop style interface settings. After that, relaunch GIMP. You should immediately notice the difference. The panels will be rearranged, the tools will be in positions that feel much closer to Photoshop, and the overall layout should look cleaner and more familiar. PhotoGIMP also adds Photoshop-like keyboard shortcuts, which can make the transition much easier if you're switching from Adobe software. Now, if you do not want the Photoshop-style shortcuts, there's one extra step you should do before copying the PhotoGIMP folder over. Look for the file named shortcutsrc. If you delete that file first, the rest of the PhotoGIMP setup can still change the appearance and layout, but it will not overwrite your shortcuts. This is a great option if you want the Photoshop look without changing the key commands you already know. So to recap, the process is simple. Close GIMP, download PhotoGIMP from the official GitHub repository, extract the file, open your GIMP configuration folder, copy in the correct version folder, and overwrite the existing files. Then reopen GIMP and enjoy the new Photoshop style setup. And if you want to keep your own shortcuts, just remove shortcutsrc before copying everything over. If this video helped you make GIMP look more like Photoshop, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets me know you want more editing tips, design tips, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.